Meaning of Grinling Gibbons.
Grinling Gibbons.
Grinling Gibbons.
Grinling Gibbons.
Grinling Gibbons. Grinling Gibbons was a 17th-century English sculptor and woodcarver known for his intricate and detailed work on decorative features such as furniture, fireplaces, and ornamental panels. His woodcarvings were particularly renowned for their naturalistic and lifelike qualities, often depicting flowers, fruits, and animals in stunning detail. His work was commissioned by many prominent figures of his time, including King Charles II. Today, his legacy lives on in the many examples of his work that can still be found in various historic buildings and institutions across England.